Hello, welcome back to more Ratchet & Clank to Destruction. I gotta come with a better intro. I'll think of it next time.
Electrical attack. Are you useless against an electrified enemy, Ratchet? Try a different weapon.
Oh god. Cycle can. I'm sorry if I'm not talking. Oh yay. Oh god's sake. Tried to take down the ship then. Can I reach it? Oh, that's real cool. You've all just noticed I'm armed. Are you absolutely stupid? Whoop. Right, I need one of these trains. Electric trains! Oh no! I don't like trains. No! Give me my train!
To latch onto the transport,
Give me my train!
using the quick select. Then to latch on.
Better use this information there. Yeah, give me my train. Give me my train, sucker.
To latch onto the transport, equip the swing shot using the quick select.
Ah,
Then press and hold
yeah.
the fire button to latch on. Hold down the fire button until you wish to let go.
I don't think I'll be letting go yet. Whoop. Thank you. Max out my plasma beast. What do you think I should have? More ruthenium, more damage. More damage. I'm gonna big area fire because that'll be more better. I think it'll be better anyways. Not wanna buy a gun. I wanna buy something. There we go.
Press and hold the fire button to lock onto enemy targets. Then let go to launch predator missiles.
It's not very powerful, is it? I'll do. Ah, jeez. No, he died then, again. My tiger's been made not to die. And that's not going to be easy for me. It's going to be very hard, actually. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. No, you're not going to try and get him? Oh. Oh, what? 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 Thank you. Somehow. Oh god. Oh yeah. I think my objective just got failed then. Wow. Gunships. Oh. I'll try and upload all my videos by Friday, because that's, you know, I just upload my videos all in one, so I don't see the point of like doing it like every day. I see it. Oh Jesus! Oh God! Oh God! Oh no! I'm gonna definitely die. Well, I got a grenade then. I think it was it. I think it was my fusion grenade bomb type of thing.
Attention, rockets. Any trooper who allows the rockets through their sector will be tried
Whee!
as a conspirator and executed.
Ow! Ow! Stop hitting me! Like I said before, I used to be good at this game. Get the word used to. Oh, what? How can you execute? What would if like a gunship let me through? How could you execute that? I thought. Yeah. Can I make it? No, I can't make it. I can't make it. Yes, I can. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 360. I don't know. I don't know what that was. Yay! I just noticed I've only just activated the bridge. Are you stupid? Oh God. Bye. Oh yeah, you actually destroyed the ship this time. Bam. Lunge. What was I using? Yeah, I was using that. Oh, good idea. Oh well.
Ratchet, those creatures are telling us to go inside that building.
Creatures? What creatures? Did you get your wires crossed in that crash?
Clank, have you been modifying yourself in private? Absolutely not. And I do not care much for your tone.
Yeah. Yeah, actually, what's happened to your turn? Oh no, not the Y-axis on this. Oh god, this is hard. This is hard. It may not look hard, but it is hard. I don't want to go to the analog stick because that's what I did before, but oh god, this is hard. Oh no. Oh god. Is it over? Is it over? Yay! Yeah. The Hall of Knowledge.
Alright, Chief. What can we do?
Thank you for the healing. Hold on. How do you activate? Oh,
Attention citizen.
there you go.
You have entered the Hall of Knowledge without authorization.
Oh God!
Knowledge has been declared contraband by order of Emperor Tachyon. Any attempt to learn while on these premises will result
That's brilliant, isn't it?
in Zordon prison.
Oh God! Yay!
Attention citizen. The knowledge in this hall is protected by traps and puzzles so deviously complex they will fuse your neural pathways should you
Oh, this is really complex, isn't it?
safety. Turn back immediately.
Oh my God, I can't do this. It's really complex. Oh God. No. Have you seen me underwater? No. Where the fuck am I supposed to go? Oh, there. Derpity.
Attention citizen. You appear to be more clever than you anticipated.
Well, I'm a Lombax, so I'm clever. Not me in real life, but you know, as Ratchet. Ratchet's a Lombax, not me, of course. Hello. Oh, how many... Hello? Whoa. I think they didn't like my hello.
Attention citizen. This is your final warning. The knowledge contained in this hall has been classified as a threat to the Empire. Any attempt to enter the Imperial map room will result in a very painful and irreversible death.
I don't care. Alright, oh a minute. There's something up there that I want. And I know how to get it. And I know how to get it. I'm gonna... You gotta stay still. Alright, Ratchet, stay still. Ratchet! Spank. This is gonna be hard. I don't know how the hell I'm gonna like try and get like this gold ball. Okay, here we go. Yes! Did it. First time I've ever got that gold ball, really. So that's an achievement. Excuse me. Right, That's so funny. Whoa, Jesus. Ah! Oh, wow. Surface to air plasma beast. Plasma beasts. I'm gonna say they are beasts. What the fudge? Attack him! Or hair. Whatever. I don't care. Yeah. Let's hope this cutscene isn't too long.
Great. We're trapped.
Oh. Sorry about that, guys. But I hope you enjoyed this episode. I know certainly I did. If you want to like or favourite, please do. If you click subscribe, it's absolutely free. And I will see you guys later. Adios.